Hi, I'm Doug Jessop. Welcome to this episode of Jessop's Journeys, broadcasting from Provo, Utah. With me today is Keith Morey. Now, Keith, you're an economic development director. What in the world does an economic development director do?
Well, I like to think economic development is about the health of your community. It's really about making sure that businesses that exist already are healthy and surviving, and that you're attracting new businesses into your community so that you're growing and creating employee opportunities for your citizens. So really about the health and vitality of your community.
Well, Provo has definitely got a lot of business going on. So, there's a whole bunch of entrepreneurship, but there's also a lot of big businesses. Can you give me some examples?
Yeah, I think a really good example is Qualtrics, of course. We're home of Qualtrics. Vivint has a major headquarters here. BYU is a huge employer, so is Provo City. And Provo's actually the only city in the state of Utah that has its own auto manufacturing company. So Vanderhall exists here, builds a car.
Really?
The only company in Utah that produces its own VIN for the state of Utah. So it's kind of exciting.
Well, I have to admit, I saw a billboard on the way down here that said that they also are making the only electric car in Utah.
Yeah, they are.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That's under production right now.
So when people come to you and say, okay, I'm thinking about moving here to Provo, what's the Provo advantage?
Yeah, to me, it's a mix of the incredible quality of life. All you have to do is look behind us in the mountains that we've got. Provo's constantly ranked as the safest community, the most charitable community, the top performing community. It really is a great place to live and to work and to bring your family and enjoy the incredible downtown that we have, one of the only historic downtown environments in Utah, with Provo being the second oldest city in the state of Utah.
So Keith, what's your favorite thing about Provo?
Well, I came here, I got my master's degree and my undergraduate degree at Provo, and I never thought that I'd live back here. When we moved back here in August, and my wife and I walk out of the house every day and just can't believe we live in this incredible community. It just is a wonderful place to live.
That sounds like a good thing to me. It sounds like a Provo advantage. With another entry into Jessop's Journal, People, Places, and Things You Might Not Know About, I'm Doug Jessop.